Okay guys, so since tapos na tayo sa lesson on how to create Facebook page, ngayon let's proceed na naman sa ating topic na creating your Facebook Business Manager. So ano ba yung Facebook Business Manager? So basically ito yung tool na ginagamit natin to help us organize and manage our business. Dito rin natin sinaset up yung mga payments natin, yung mga credit card and yung mga debit card kasi nga hindi tayo pwede makapag-run ng ads kung wala tayong payment method na ilagay doon at first sa business manager, okay? So, dito mo rin ilalagay yung mga business details natin, kung may mga permits din na needed, and you can also invite people to work on your business manager or the clients will invite you to work on their business manager or their ad account. So, ito yung business manager talaga, which is very important then. And to create your Facebook business manager, all you need to do is you need to go to business.facebook.com/overview and then basically parang nag-create ka lang din ng Facebook ad account. Nag-create ka lang ng Facebook account. You just click here sa create account and then after that, ito yung mag-pop up sa screen niyo pag ma-clean and just right here sa your business. Let's say for example, ang ginawa ko dito is gumawa ako ng HBC ads, which stands for Home-Based Connect Ads. And then yung name ko, ginamit ko yung name ng wife ko kasi nga may business manager naman ako. Di kasi pwede na ngayon na multiple business manager ang gagawin mo. And then yung email ko, then nilagay ko yung email ng wife ko. And then nilagay ko din yung mga sa country natin, Philippines, yung street number namin, street address, yung city, yung province, yung zip code, mobile, business mobile number, and yung website is yung website. Kung wala ka pang website, pwede mo lang ilagay dyan facebook.com. And once you're done with that, you can just simply click on submit and then boom, ito na yung Facebook Business Manager natin guys. So ito yung ginawa ko dati. Good evening, Iman Jake. So ito yung overview talaga ng business mo, ng business manager mo. So kung gusto mo talaga pumunta doon sa business settings, you can click on sa business settings and then makikita mo na yung whole na business settings. So ngayon guys, ipakita ko sa inyo yung live na business settings na sa account ng wife ko. So ito yung business settings guys. Ito yung ginawa ko na business manager, yung HBC ads. So may parang ang pinaka-importante na part dito is tingnan mo lang dito yung users, yung accounts, tsaka yung payments and business information. Ito yung whole na business manager natin guys. Like I said, ito yung tool na ginagamit natin to organize our payments, yung mga bayad natin sa Facebook ads natin, and to manage our people as well. So sa users natin, syempre ito yung name ng wife ko and wala pa siyang makakasama ng mga tao dito. And then wala pa ring partners. And then yung pages and yung ad account. So, pag nandito ka na sa Facebook Business Manager, ang pinakauna mo dapat gawin guys is to go to pages. Kasi nga, kailangan mong i-link yung page na ginawa mo dito para ma-setup mo siya, magamit mo siya pag setup ng ads mo. So, sa case natin guys, di ba gumawa tayo ng page before? Ano bang page natin kanina? Say for example, wait for a minute. Gumawa tayo ng ito, make ads PH. So, since hindi pa siya connected dun sa account natin guys, sa HBC ads, hindi pa siya nakalink. So, ang gawin natin is, kailangan natin i-link yung Facebook page ito sa business manager na to. Okay? So, pag mag-add ka ng user or gusto mong mag-add ng tao or people to work with you sa Facebook page mo, all you need to do is you need to go to of course sa Facebook page mo and then go to settings. Click here. And then just wait for it to load. And then pumunta ka dito sa page roles. Boom. That's how you invite people naman din to work as editor or admin doon sa Facebook page mo. And then i-type mo yung email ng friend mo or yung Facebook name niya lang. Since friend kami ng wife ko, ilagay ko ng name and pwede ko rin siyang gawin ng admin or pwede ko rin siyang gawing editor. So sa case natin, ilagay natin siya sa admin And then, click natin yung add. Boom. Type natin yung password ko. Boom. Then, nakalagay dyan na pending yung invitation natin. So, ang gawin natin is i-accept natin siya sa Facebook page. I-open natin yung Facebook account ng wife ko. And then, punta tayo sa notification dito. And then, nakalagay dyan, okay? Jake Ayano invited you to become an admin of Make Ads PH. I-click natin yan. Then, i-click natin yung accept. Once ma-accept mo na yan, then, meaning may access ka na sa Facebook page na to. So, ang gawin natin sa Facebook na business settings is i-refresh lang natin to guys. Refresh natin. Boom, refresh natin yan. And then, i-click natin yung pages, di ba? Pages. And then, i-click natin yung add. So, there are 3 ways to add a page. So, number 1 is i-add mo yung page or mag-request access ka to a page or you can create a page from here naman din. So, ang gawin natin is we're going to add a page here. Okay? Then, i-type natin yung name or URL. So, let's say for example, yung nag-invite sa atin is Make Ads PH. Boom. Nandun na. Dati wala pa yan. Boom. And then, yun. Add a page. Then, once you're done, okay, here we go. May nakalagay na dyan. Since you're already page admin on this page, your request was approved automatically. Then, close. Then, boom, guys. May yung page mo, di ba wala to dati, ngayon may access ka na sa Make Ads PH. So, that's how you are going to create page or add page sa business setting or business account mo sa Facebook Business Manager. And then, you can add up to as many pages you like, guys. So, you can add a page, request a page, or create a new page from here. Okay? So, that's it, guys. So, sa next video natin, ituturo natin kung paano ba tayo mag-add ng payments sa ating business manager. So, see you sa next video natin, guys.